Welcome to my channel Shri Artistic Minds. Today we are going to make a simple room decor. Things needed are transparent bottle, rice, food color, lace, gemstone, pom-pom ball, hot glue gun, glue and small felt cloth. Now let's start making. Start filling the bottle with red colored rice. Now we are going to fill the yellow colored rice. Now we are going to fill red again. Now yellow. Now I'm going to add a little lighter version of red colored rice. Again I'm going to top up with little more of yellow colored rice. Now we are going to fill the remaining bottle with the dark red colored rice the way we started filling the bottle. Now the bottle is full and this is how it looks with nice different colors. Now we are going to close the bottle tight. Apply some glue and fix the lace. Now this is the felt cloth. Now we are going to make the measurement of the cap and we are going to cut the felt cloth and stick it on top. Now stick the pom-pom ball on top of the bottle to give it a nice look. So once it is secured, this is how it looks like. Now we are going to stick some gems with the help of hot glue gun. So start with the bigger gems and go slowly with the smaller version of the gems. Make a pattern so it looks more beautiful. Now the room decor is ready. Kids can make this as a winter craft and they can enjoy the holidays. Thank you for watching my channel, Shri Artistic Minds. Please like, share and subscribe and give your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video soon. Bye.